Let's begin the product introduction of IT1000, the gas volume conversion device from IM Technology. This device is a gas corrector. It measures the temperature and pressure of the gas in the pipe and converts the gas volume to standard conditions, 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere. First, it features a large LCD screen with a black light, making it very easy to read even in dark places. Second, it has an optional RS485 communication board for easy connection with external devices. Third, the compact horizontal design makes it easy to install in tight gas meter boxes. Fourth, by using a digital pressure sensor, it provides precise measurement and easy maintenance. Finally, IT1000 is a reliable product, certified under the KSB 8300 standard by the Korea Testing Certification Institute. Let's look at the parts of the device. On the front, there is a display and a menu button on the right. At the bottom, we have the setting port, pressure sensor, and temperature sensor. Next to them are the meter pulse ports and an extra port for more connections. On the bottom right, there is a sealing hole to prevent unauthorized access. This product meets the KSB 8300 standard. It is IP65 rated, meaning it is protected against dust and water. For any product inquiries or AS support, please contact the manufacturer, IM Technology, at 031-8044-0999. The IT1000 uses the PTZ correction method based on the AGA8 GCM2 formula. The measurement accuracy is within 0.35% of the reading, allowing for highly precise conversion. The pressure transducer supports up to 1000 kilopascal, and the temperature transducer uses a PT100 sensor covering -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. The device operates reliably in ambient temperatures between -20 and +50 degrees. It is powered by a 3.6-volt lithium battery, which lasts about 5 years in normal conditions. The size is 145 by 90 by 45 millimeters, and it weighs approximately 0.8 kilograms. It can be used with various gas meters, including diaphragm, rotary, and turbine meters. The internal memory logs hourly data and can store at least 6 months of records. You can choose optional features like RS485 communication with Modbus RTU or a 4 to 20 milliampere current output. This is the main screen of the IT1000. It shows the corrected volume and the uncorrected volume in cubic meters. Press the menu button once to change the screen. Here, you can check the real-time temperature and pressure values measured by the sensors. Press the button again to move to the correction factor screen. The calculated correction factor is shown at the top, and the pulse value is at the bottom. The next button shows the device serial number, current date, and time. Use this to check the exact time of your recorded data. Press it one last time to check the device status. You can see any alarms for temperature or pressure and check the battery voltage at the bottom. Note that the screen will automatically turn off after 30 seconds of inactivity to save battery. Once you open the device, you will see the main board. The LCD display is connected at the top, and various wiring terminals and setting switches are at the bottom. At the top center, you can see the optional RS485 communication board. This board allows you to send data remotely or integrate with external systems. Below the communication board is a dip switch with 3 small switches. You can set the device ID from 1 to 99 by adjusting these. Please refer to the ID table in the manual for the correct setup. Let's look at the terminals at the bottom. On the far left, these are terminals for the pressure and temperature sensors. In the center, you will find the meter pulse input to receive signals from the gas meter. On the right, these are terminals for RS485 communication and alarm out to send status signals to external devices. The 3.6 volt lithium battery connector is located on the side of the board. To replace the battery, simply disconnect this and plug in the new one. Connect the IT1000 to your PC using the dedicated cable and run the setting program. This software allows you to check or update the device setting according to your field conditions. On the left side on the screen, you will see the read and write buttons. Click read to load the current data from the device onto your screen. Under basic information, you can check the serial number and the firmware version. In the correction settings, you can finally adjust the correction factors for temperature, pressure, and gas compressibility. You can also set the RS485 communication speed, device ID, and the pulse volume coming from the gas meter. After updating the values, click the Write button on the right. The new settings will be saved to the device memory immediately. After saving, always click Read one more time to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. The IT1000 allows you to easily change the settings using a dedicated smartphone application. By connecting the cable to your phone, you can check the device status and modify parameters instantly in the field. Once you run the application, you will see 4 main menus: device status for real-time data, product info for device details, and alarm settings to manage the alarm history. In the basic settings menu, you can check the lot number, date, time, and pulse input values. Simply tap Read to load the current values, enter your changes, and tap right to apply them to the device immediately. With this app, you can calibrate errors or set up communication environments on site without a laptop. This significantly reduces your work time. This concludes the product introduction and manual guide for the IT1000 by IM Technology. For further inquiries, please contact our customer center listed at the bottom of the manual. Thank you for watching.